Hey guys, welcome back to our channel TechTube. Today in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can fix Facebook login error. So I'll be teaching you guys a very step regarding this, and if you have any queries related to the process, just let me know in the comment section right away. And now let's not delay anymore and let's get started. So firstly, what you need to do is, fixing Facebook login error generally has no such inbuilt option or something like that. So what you need to do is, firstly, just check your internet connection if it's working fine or not. Or else what you can do is just go to your settings, and from there just go to your apps, and then go to apps again, and from there just find your Facebook. It's taking some time, so let's just have some patience. Okay, once you are over here, just go to Facebook. Okay, where is my Facebook? And from here just go to storage and just clear cache everything and clear data as well, and then just try to go to your Facebook and log in, and your problem will be fixed. So that's pretty much, guys. That's how you do it. I hope this video is helpful for you guys. So thank you for watching our video, guys. If you like our video, please leave a like and do not forget to subscribe our channel and also the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. If you have any queries, just let me know in the comment section right away, and I'll see you guys again in our next video. Till then, stay safe, guys. Thank you for watching.